Oh, okay, yeah, I guess that's enough. Today I'm going to make fried pickles. It's something that I always order when we go out, and it's one of my favorite things to get, and I never really thought about making them at home, so I thought, I'll give it a try, why not? So I don't really have a recipe to follow, so I'm just going to do it the way I think it should be done, and basically I'm going to do it like I would normally do chicken, how I would fry chicken, like chicken cutlets, but I'm not going to use breading, I'm going to use flour, because I don't know if breading would go very good with cutlets. I went out and got Stackers pickles, zesty kind. Thought it would add a little kick to it. The Stackers are the pickles that look like this. They're flat and long. I figured they're most cutlet-like, so they might be easier to fry that way. So I got some oil on the pan here. I'm going to turn it on. Turn it on to like medium. I might need a little bit more oil than that. I'm just using vegetable oil. I'll just add a little bit more. That should probably be good. I'm gonna let that heat up. Then I'm gonna get my dry ingredients together here. I'm gonna use flour. Probably need more than that. Looks like it should be enough. I wasn't even filming that. So yeah, I clean my hands as always. Clean the counter as always. Now I'm gonna put some... Okay, that was loud. Oh yeah, I got spices for this. Ha! So you got some Southwest Chipotle spice to put in there. Thought that would probably be good with fried pickles. Oops. Spilled some on the floor there. I'm gonna put some of that in here now. Oh, okay, yeah, I guess that's enough. You know what, I think we're gonna put a little more. And I'm going to put some milk in this second bowl, and I'm going to put an egg in that second bowl. It's hard to do things with one hand. And looking through a camera. My pickles all lined up there. Decided to put them on a paper towel just to try them out a little bit. I'm gonna put some milk in here. I don't know, probably like half a cup. Okay, while this is still heating up, I'm going to dredge my pickles and put them on a pan here. While that's heating up, grab a pickle, put it in the flour, get it coated up. Okay, and I'm going to want to dip it in the egg. And then I'm going to coat it in flour again. Okay, and I'm just going to lay that in here. Okay, I think my oil is heated up. Test it. Yeah. Just put some drops of water in there. Just see how it bubbled up. Okay, I'm going to start frying these pickles now. I'm going to get a plate out, put some paper towel on it, When I take the pickles out, I'm going to put them on the paper towel. I'm going to use tongs. I'm going to use tongs for the oil. I'm going to start frying these up now. Just drop them in one by one. Okay, I'm just going to fry these up until they look like they're brown. I think I'm going to use a fork to flip them instead of the tongs because it's just a little easier to maneuver this thing around. Just going to flip them over. See how they're doing. I'm just really looking for that golden color on the outside, and I'll know they're done. As I said before, I don't know if that's how you do it. That's how I'm doing it. Looks like it's coming out pretty good. So we'll see how it comes out in the end. I usually recommend you make a dipping sauce for these. I didn't do that. Maybe I'll just try to whip one up. I don't know. I don't have too many spices. These are looking pretty good. I think I'm going to take them out. Good. So this video goes out to my friend Freddie. When we were younger, I don't know how old we were, 16 maybe, we wanted to make fried pickles. And we didn't know you had to put breading on them or anything. So we just heated up some oil and put pickles in them, and it didn't really turn out too well. So Freddie, this is for you. Fried pickles done hopefully correctly. I'm still flying by the seat of my pants here, but I think I know a little bit more than I did back then. I guess this is my lunch, because I didn't eat a lunch today. So I'll have fried pickles. It's a very healthy lunch. Alright, so those are done. I'm going to turn off my oil. So I decided to make a dipping sauce after all. I'm going to use mayonnaise as the base. Put some mayonnaise in this cup. That's probably a lot of mayonnaise. What else am I going to do? Put some ketchup in it. Put a little bit of red pepper in it. Put some garlic powder on it. Yeah, I don't have too much stuff here, so we'll just go with that. Mustard? Sure. Put some mustard in it. Stone ground. Mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup. It's got all the things in it. I mean, sure, why not? So let's try one out. Dipping sauce.
No.
Dipping sauce is pretty good. I'm gonna just try it plain without the dipping sauce, just see what that's like. Could put a little bit more in the batter next time, or the breading. I don't know what. I just put that Mrs. Dash Southwest in there, so maybe a little more of that, or maybe some other spices I could put in it. But it's good. Tastes good. Yeah, like I said, if I do it again, maybe I'll actually look at a recipe. Fried pickles.
No.
Pretty easy. Just made up the recipe off the top of my head. Kind of. So if you have any suggestions on things you'd like to see us do, please leave us a comment. If you like this video, give it a like. Share it with your friends. We're trying to grow our viewership, so share it with who you think would enjoy this type of thing. We are Jacks of No Trade. We'll see you next time.